Here at Fletcher Fetch Park. Let's go. Raider, that's a new friend. Raider, that's a new friend. Raider's making friends. Raider's favorite dog park in the city of El Monte. Raider making friends. Oh, yo. Hey, handsome. Raider's at the dog park. Duchess is over there exploring. Raider! Security. Good boy. It's shaped like a bone, right? Ready, Raider? Good boy. Raider has a dog park to himself. Raider! Get him! Come over here. Sit. Ready, Raider? Oh, nice. Bring it back. Bring it back. Good boy. Raider, you have the whole park to yourself. Raider? See, you're the only one here, bro. Go. Nice. Run, Raider, run! There goes the monorail. The heart-shaped tree. Look at that. In the city of El Monte. Let's start with some kicks. Go. Kick. Nice. Ooh. 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 Later, obstacle there. Nice. Don't touch. She's all like, hell no. She's scared of it. Guys, Penny is missing. That sucks. Duchess the Explorer. Leave that pug alone. That's Teddy the pug. Raider?